Alrighty, good morning everybody. Let's get this poppin'. Alrighty, shall we make some money? Let's get ready. Let's get ready. Yo, what's good? Karna Sharma. Man, GJ is just flying. GJ is absolutely just flying and having its way. I missed the setup last night. I was looking at it and saying, okay, I can potentially buy it, and yeah, it's alright. It's on its way. It's just moving so well. There's a potential setup on GU that I'm looking at. Let's just break it down. Yeah, look at this daily support that we had right here. Amazing. Held it pretty well for a good amount of time. 200. There you go. This was the level of support that we had. Daily time frame, this previous daily candle closed bullish, and I'm bullish on it. You can see how this momentum has shifted. We have taken out the previous high. So now we can potentially look for buys of this zone. I'm just gonna mark 2-3 things, that is QPs within this area. Alright. Oh, Tom, always good. 4-hour resistance, GJ. Yeah, we'll take a look at it. Okay. Let's just look at these higher time frame candles. This is a pretty good demand zone. Look at this to go up. So we've taken out the previous high. That's given us some good market structure. We retested the resistance, right? Yeah, we retested the resistance pretty well. I think that's 400. Now let's go to our lower time frame. 1 hour candle has given us an engulfing candle. The question is, what's the market structure looking like? We need to wait for a break above the zone and then look for a retest on GU. Okay, this is what I'm gonna look for. $500. That's what we're gonna look for. Break and retest to look for continuation. To the upside, because we're looking at potential continuation straight to the upside, right? We're in this demand zone, right? You can see this. So this should be good. This is after forming new higher highs, right? Right over here. There's a set of highs there too. That's also a previous high right there. But look at this, we've taken out this high. This is looking good for continuation. Let's see. Can we break above the zone? Can we break above the zone? Let's see, GJ. for our resistance. Alright, let me know what you guys are looking at also while I break it down. While I break it down, let me know what you are looking at, because look at this GJ. Brilliant support. Here, beautiful resistance. We haven't moved out of this area for a very long time. We have a zone here, we have a zone there. We have a support here, we have a support there. Slowly going down the time frames. This support is very nicely defined. Right, we tapped into this previous QP 250 and it was held at 181. Before that we only faked out at that level. Perfect, look at that. Here, this is an interesting thing to look at. We have one zone over here at 500 and a smaller zone up here. So as we slowly go down the time frames, 3-day, look, this is the resistance that is formed. $500. Look at that. Would you look at that? Look at that, that looks really good. 2-day, daily time frame, pretty good. We had 2 fakeouts, 12 hour. So this is the major level because this is the previous high. And we have the next zone going up to 500. Up here. You guys can see, right? So can you see what kind of range we're trading in? Yesterday, after this 12-hour close, this was a good example to buy. Bullish engulfing candle. Look at that, 10-hour also closed. Good, that were good signs to buy over there. You could have looked at this buy zone right over here. That's a buy zone. Can you see how many times we've tapped and continued up? So that would have been a really good buy zone. Look at it. 4-hour also closed above. There were multiple retests on this level. That would have been a fantastic trade. Would have been fantastic. Alright, so look at GJ, we are coming into this zone. We have now taken out this previous high. which now we just need to sit and wait and see what's gonna happen. Because if you look at it, no pullbacks at all. We've been moving up for the last 125 pips. 1, 2, 3, 4 hours for 4 hours straight. That's just crazy. Yeah, we need to be very careful now because we first have to expect a pullback, right? We need to be cautious and careful. Alrighty, in GJ buys from 182 232, 182 232. That's good, that's good. Last night I literally looked at buying down here, right at the bottom over here, but it's okay. I didn't take it because it was already very late in the night. Hi, hi, let's go, let's go. We have to be cautious, guys, because guess what? We've now come up into a resistance, and there is potential to reject now, okay? hit that like button and then put it in the chat which pair you're looking at this morning. Let me know which pair y'all are looking at. Just wait. I know there's gonna be a pullback. There has to be a pullback. Look at this. We're moving 125 pips without a pullback? No, thank you. I don't believe that. Oh, but this also would have been a pretty decent buy over here. Huge stops, but would have been 50 pip gain. So we need to just wait and watch a lot of things happening. So there's 2-3 things we need to be cautious of. That is, firstly, price action and market structure. So if you were to mark the market structure out, is highest point, lowest point, highest point. Actually, that's kind of the highest point, lowest point, highest point, lowest point, highest point. Now we've kind of taken out that previous lowest point. You see what I mean? We've kind of taken out this previous lowest point, which is a little sus, and could potentially look at some alternative trades, but we need to be very cautious because now with the pullback we could expect GU. When JJ starts pulling back, we could expect GU sort of pullback. But on the higher time frame, we took out the previous high, right? And we could be cautious of that too, because if we are if we're looking at that particular move, we may want to be a little more cautious, considering that we didn't take out this high, right? Alright, so those are the things we have to keep in mind. That lower time frame we took out a certain trend, and higher time frame we did take out a certain trend. So we're going to be very cautious and look at it objectively. Alright, so that's what we're doing. We're just waiting. Gold is pushing. We're gonna take a look at gold in a minute. XAU, let's take a look. Why is this like this? Move those two, yeah. Okay, yeah. Interesting. Okay, so see, the weekly candle is pushing down. What I would say is be very cautious of gold. Very cautious of gold. Be very cautious. Look at this. This was the point from which we pushed up on this particular time frame, 12 hours. This is the previous high now. Let me just look at it. Yesterday's 2K level was too strong. So I'd be cautious right around there. 1990 is also a key level. Alright, so there you go. That's the zone I'll be looking at. And that's the trend I'm looking at. And what am I looking for? Continuation. Right, we look to continue this trend. So where did we previously bounce off? This is the lowest point we've been. Right, you see that? Before this move, this was the lowest point. So I will personally not look at sells until we take that low out, because until then we're still bullish. So one more thing I'm gonna look at is this is the highest point before we took out these lows, right? So this is my previous high. So this is gonna be my PH, my previous high. Is there a demand I can find in here? 97, 95. Let's look, 1995. No, so first we're gonna wait to break that high, and then we will look at potentially retesting. So we got a couple of key levels here. QPs, of course, 1995, 1997, 500. That also could be a break and retest level. Then you have your 2K level. So here I've marked all the QPs and the potential rejection areas, potential continuation areas. But this is what I would say. We're not going to, I'm personally not going to say there are going to be sells, because I do not believe that. Because look at the higher time frame. It'd be ridiculous of us to say there are sells. Right? So wait for market structure. This is the previous low. Right? Previous low. You can see how price reacted there. So until we tap into that previous low, you don't sell, because unless we chase the market structure, we're not selling. So that's me personally. It's up to you guys. Yesterday, the zone that I marked played out to perfection. The 14250 level on NAS 100. Let's keep going. Come on, guys, hit that like button. Say what's up in the chat. So that's why I'm saying just wait for it. Wait for it. It's even gold and everything. You want to wait for confirmations, right? Especially gold. Like you definitely want to wait for confirmations because the 1 hour is very clear. If you go to the 30-minute, yes, you have a break of this high, which is important, but that doesn't break the structure. Can you see? On gold, this is the market structure. And this is the high at structure. So I rather buy after breaking this. So this is my demand zone. Okay, so this is the zone I want to buy above. Before this, I'm not gonna buy. Okay, you guys get it? This is my demand zone. This is where I want to get above. Bang, bang. Right? Because that is the market structure. If I had to buy here, I know that I'm gonna run into this trend. Right? The previous levels from which we kept on rejecting. Which I'm not gonna risk that. Not a fan of that. Amazing. Amazing. And if you look at this, let's just look at the Fibonacci retracements. Let's go from the low, previous low, previous high. So this is 61.8%, 50% retracement. So this is good. This is good. You guys can see what I'm talking about. It's very obvious. So yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Alrighty. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Guys, what are you all trading? Let's get this chat active. Come on. Gold is pushing. Might reject though. Yeah, Chris, we have to just wait to see what happens. Because can you see how vital this level is? This level is super vital. 1 second. Did we? Yeah, I added it here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, GU. Looks like we're gonna get a rejection on GU. Let's see. What's happening on GU, boy? Let's just see GJ. Let's just go from the swing low to the current swing high. So you can see those are the retracement levels on GJ. Potentially. We just have to wait and see how much are we willing to actually retrace. Because this is the good demand zone you can see right over here. Now I would say that this would be the golden area that I would be looking at. There you go, you can see it. It's already in the color that I like. This should be the golden area that I'm looking at potentially retesting. Deeper retest, no problem, but I like that one a little better. GU is looking good. GU. Gold is also. You see how gold tap into the resistance and the trend line? You see that? That's what I was talking about. We need to be so cautious of that. That is the dangerous thing. Let's see what happens. Will we get a closure? I'm gonna wait for this 2-hour candle. Oh wait, that 2-hour candle closed sometime back. Okay, so this is a new 2-hour. No, that's not good. Because the previous 2-hour kind of closed engulfing, but we're still at this level. Let's see. Will this take out these lows or not? Gold looks like it's rejecting a little. GJ looks like it wants to reject a little. GJ has to pull back, guys. There's no taking a trade on GJ without it pulling back. Come on, hit that like button. Ask your questions in the chat. Use the chat, guys. Use the chat. Use the chat so that way we can keep going. We stay focused and we keep making money. That's how we like it, right? This looks good. 30-minute candle, very strong. 15 minutes about to close. Big engulfing candle on the 15. Very nice. So just go to wait. Alright guys, use the chat, say what's up. Feel free to ask your questions. "15-minute closed, rejecting." We need to be cautious of this now. Alrighty. So, looking at it, gold, GJ, GU, it's all a patience game. GJ, we desperately need a pullback. So we just need to wait for price action to show itself, and then we can take it on after the pullback starts happening. So Even GU, there's a potential that we can start moving up. Let's see, is there any significant highs we can take out? Let's see. If the 30-minute closes above this zone, we can potentially look for buys on GU. If not, we sit on our hands and wait. Just be patient. You have to wait for the plan to play out every single day. Every single day. John FX Trading. Hey DC, been some time. Yeah, how you doing, John? Guys, feel free to let me know which country you all are tuning in from. Say what's up in the chat so we can talk and we can discuss things. We can look at trade opportunities. Like, look at this potential trade on GU as we are rejecting this area. So there's two options, right? The volume is either going to break this area or reject this area. So we want to see what is this price action and market structure going to do. Are we going to reject or what? So that's why just look at the charts, be objective about it. I'm very well. How are you, man? Doing really good, Jean. Doing really good. Hit that like button, guys. Just gotta wait. Wait. Always, my brother. Hope you're also doing well and smashing. GJ15, let's see. Okay, we're slowly coming down. GU, are we gonna reject? We look like we're staying below the 500 level, which is also good. Which is good. Let's see what we can do this morning. That's true. Which pairs are you trading, John? Which pairs are you trading now? Yeah, they did buy a lot of gold, right? Amazing. 15-minute about to make our bottom wick. It looks like we're gonna reject and go down for a bit on GU. Amazing. Yeah, I personally don't trade gold. I do analyze it, but I don't personally like to trade it because I'm more confident on GJ. GJ is my main pair. Always has, and I think always will be GJ. But yeah. GJ moving slow now. Yeah, GJ is moving slow now because we've had a 125 pip move for the morning. So I'm really not expecting GJ to start popping off again. But never say never with GJ. Never say never. Yeah. But what trades are you guys in? Let me know what trades you guys are in, or let me know what pairs you're looking at. in gold and GJ. Interesting. What did you take in gold and GJ? Oh, wait, I know GJ you took from 230 something. But gold? Gold also a buy? Interesting, nice. Nice. Yo, Iris Trader, what's good? How are we doing? 30-minute on GU is closing up. Bullish engulfing candle. How's your health? Much better, Iris. I'm pretty much back in action now. And I should be good to go. We should keep moving forward, of course, like I always say. What you think about EU? I don't know yet. Let me check EU. Let's just see GU. I think GU should continue up from here. Because GU now is slowly closing above. Once we flip this 15 and 30-minute candle, we could potentially move up a lot more. So yeah, that should continue up. Let's see what happens. I think when we flip this candle, we should continue up. And it should move easily. Mm-mm. No, I don't. Can't find an entry. This high. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Maybe I'm gonna wait for an hourly candle closure. Anyway, there's only 24 minutes left for that hourly candle closure, so may as well just wait for it. Because look, gold is trying to break up, so I definitely do think that GU has potential to continue up. So it's all about waiting. Can we get the volume to flip it and continue? Because gold is pushing. So let's see. I have a question. A little bit off topic. How we show pro forma withdrawal in Indian taxes as financial services, and it comes under freelancing. Freelance. Not financial services. It's basically like analysis. You know, you have to show it as analysis. So for me, I show it as like social media, basically. Let's see. Geo. So yeah, you have to do it under freelancing only. Because you're a freelancer, right? So let's see. And only 50% of your total income will be taxable when you put it in as a freelancer. There you go, exactly as I said. We will start popping up once we start flipping this. Can't we show it as a business and show losses in the business, and it will help in less taxes? No, Iris. Then you open yourself up to a whole space of questioning. Message me on Discord. I will tell you why. Message me on Discord, Telegram, whatever is easier for you. Will this early candle close above or below? We need some volume. Hey, your Instagram is up. No, Iris, my Instagram is not up. The DC trading Instagram is up. But I don't use it that much, so that's why. I use Discord and Telegram a lot because that's where I do business. So yeah. How many of you guys are trading on Mac and how many of you guys are trading on Windows? Let me know. Akshay Arora Mac, alright, interesting. Because I actually use both the platforms. When I go out, I'm on my MacBook. When I'm in, I'm on my PC. So Mac for everything else is just so good, man. Just nothing that comes close. Is gold moving up? Beautiful, gold also is moving up. GU, I think GU is gonna pop off. I think it's going to pop off. DC, you changed your room setup. Actually, it's the same, bro. I've just brought my camera to the middle. Given Windows. I'm a Windows guy from Valorant and for Fortnite. Oh, for my Valorant and Fortnite. Yeah. I'm a Windows guy, but oh, I like it when life is easier. So that means yeah. GU to the moon. Let's go. GU actually looks very good to continue. There you go. Gold is now taking out the previous high, so now you need to start looking. So once we start taking out this previous high, we just need to do something like that, and we should be off. GJ is looking like it's gonna break out now. Where will GU go though? Okay, so look at GU to the left. Okay, this is where I think GU is going. You see this? This is personally where I think GU is going to fill that in. I think that will be a good level to fill that in. Because look at the 4-hour now, we've engulfed the previous candle. This looks good to keep going. This looks good to keep going. Let's look at the 4-hour on GJ. Can you see where GJ is going? I think we're going to the top of this range easily. Looks pretty good. So we engulfed the previous 4-hour candle. That's fantastic. Let's see. We need to see that candle closure up there. GJ is also moving on up. GJ is moving really nice and strong right now. Let's see. What's your take on gbpjpy? Personally, I needed to move out of this zone, and secondly, I needed to consolidate a little, so like a reaccumulation and then continue. Right? G to the moon. GU to the moon. Bum, bum. Let's see. I feel like GJ and GU both have potential to keep moving up now. Keep moving up. Let's see. GJ looks like it wants to keep breaking up. GJ, yeah, GJ looks like it wants to keep breaking up. Let's see. Yeah, look at GJ right now. Look at it. Man, this thing is a menace. And GU, I would suspect. So first target is to break these highs, Chris. So first target is to break these highs around 750. You can say that's the next like major QP area. But also what we need to be cautious of is on the higher time frame, swing high to swing low. we had this area, right? So this is a 50% level. You can see the retracement levels. So I would say your first TP you primarily want it to be around here, and then you know we can potentially take out this market structure, right? So if we take out this market structure, then you know we can move up here for another 25 pips, and then if we break this zone, you have a 50 pip range which we can move into after that. So that'll be really, really good. Okay, so this is the new hourly candle. Not too bad. The new hourly candle closed pretty decent. Let it make our bottom wick. Geo, yeah, is pulling back. I still think there's volume that's gonna go up and push it up. Look at GJ. GJ is just not stopping today. It's one of those days where GJ just goes one direction the entire day. Well, let's see. NYSE is also there. Oh, this is London Open. Welcome to London Open. Let's see. It's 1:30. I think this is just a GU bottom wick to retest the break of the trend line and continuation, in all honesty. So you could allow this to come into the zone. If it starts trading below the zone, then you don't want to be in it. Right? As long as it trades above the zone, it's fine. When we start doing this, then you want to be out of it. Because if we start trading below 500, this most likely will become a rejection. You see this? It'll become a rejection. But if we continue trading above 500, that will continue as a continuation. So that's where you don't want it to trade below 500. This is London Open, USD with some strong volume. Let's see. Ali, no top wick also, so you really actually don't have to be worried about it. So let's see. Huge volume. Can we start trading below the zone? Or what? Let's see. The market is pushing, moving. It's just a matter of time before we get some sort of position. So now all you gotta wait for is for price to continue trading above the zone. It looks pretty good. $15 closes in 6 minutes, so after that you could potentially look for an entry if the 15 closes above. Well, what are you guys looking at and what are you guys thinking right now on GU? Let's say GU. What are you guys looking at on GU right now? What are you guys thinking? Where do you guys think it's gonna go? Gold has stop. Yep. But what you also got to remember is gold took out the 1 hour high. As in we tapped into that zone. So where do you guys see GU going? Gold down or gold up? Let's see. Guys, put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. You guys looking at GU going up or down? If y'all are trading gold, where are y'all looking at gold going? Up or down? If y'all are in GJ trade, let us know in the chat. If you haven't hit that like button already, come on, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Both up, GU up, gold up, alright. George, that's good. Hey man, you haven't replied to me yet. Oh, my bad. Let me just open my Discord. Let's see, there's the 5 minute that closes in 2 minutes, and that's the 15-minute candle closure. That should be really good at that point. Yep. GU up, Emmanuel. Okay, fantastic. Yeah, I'm also assuming GU up. We needed to continue to trade above this 500 zone over here in order to continue pushing up. I will probably look for engulfing candle of some sorts on a different time frame. That's what I was kind of looking at a few minutes back. Not able to find a good time frame which looks enticing enough for me yet. So let's see. This 15-minute, once we close this 15-minute, this should be good. I don't think price will come back once we close that 15-minute. It should keep moving on up. So I will potentially look for an entry after this 15 close. What about US 30? I do not trade or analyze US 30, my friend. Alright, there you go. GU is flipping. Will we flip that 1 hour and continue on up? What's going to happen? This looks good to flip and keep going. Let's see, 5, 4. Okay, so there's a 12-minute candle that looks good. We can wait for this 10-minute candle to close bullish engulfing. After that, I could potentially look at an entry. Because this looks really good. Look at that 15-minute closure. My oh my. Let's see. I would like to see this to continue up. Yeah, even GJ looks good to continue up. Lots of strength in the GBP pairs, so I think we should leverage this to keep going up. We have a nice little 25 pip range that we can tap into. So that should be good. This 4-hour candle also is looking very nice. So those in GU, y'all are looking pretty safe at this point. You can look at a potential break-even trigger when you reach this high. And possibly close some partials. Look at gold now. Beautiful. Yep, that'll be the first TP on GU. Right over here. You can close partials. Right over there. How many of you guys in GU buys? Let me know. GU to the moon potentially. This looks really good. Alright, Chris, let's go. Emmanuel, let's go. Cheering you guys on to the next key level. Let's go. That's my next QP at that point. I believe we should be able to break these highs. Go up straight. This should be the only pain right there. But this looks like it has some kick in it, so let's watch it kick. So if you've entered from the 500 area, I think by now you can break even, because if price starts coming back again, rejecting, you don't want to be in that again. You know? That's just a pain, because look at the way prices move so far. You want it to continue up. You want it to continue with momentum up. You don't want it to stop now, right? So that's why be careful. I wouldn't want it to reject from here. I want it to continue pushing. And once you go break even, that's a risk-free trade. I hope each and every one of you guys are working on your discipline every single day. The most important aspect of anything that you do is discipline. And your trading discipline is what will enable you to keep the money, not just make the money. Right? Your skill will help you make the money, your discipline will help you keep the money. So I hope you guys are working on your trading disciplines. I hope you guys have you know, trading plans set in order. It's very important as a trader to have those things set in place. So if you guys are in from 500 or down here, I would suggest you'll break even as we target higher highs. You wanna be cautious, right? So you could possibly look at this level as your TP1. So there you go, we're continuing up, breaking the previous highs. Four hour, it has engulfed the previous 4 hour completely. The question is, of course, will we close there or what? But this is the last 30 minutes of this 4 hour. I think it will continue up. But this is our TP1. We wait for TP1. You should be up around 10 to 12 pips. Alright, so this could potentially be an absolute banger. We just gotta wait and watch how the markets react to this zone now. Because we need it to break and continue breaking. If we reject this zone for the second time, it's just gonna be a pain after that. Because this is the zone where we're respecting right now. See this? So we need to keep breaking past that zone. Keep going, Gio. Keep going. This is good. Take out this high. Keep moving. We need to move to the next 750 QP. There you go, we've taken out the minor highs. This is looking very good. Okay, 4-hour candle pushing. You can see that we should move up to this resistance. So you can take TP at this level 700 over here. As soon as we approach that resistance, that'll be really good. This should keep going up to TP1 here. And in all honesty, it should even push further. So let's see. So this should keep moving. Let's see. Come on. GU push. Let's go to TP1. Let's go to TP1. This should move way past TP1 in all honesty. Very good. Very good. Keep going, Gio. This is good. Look at it moving. Price is moving really well. Can we tap into our TP1 and take these highs down? It looks really good. 4 hour has engulfed it really strongly. I think it should continue popping on up, straight up. So what we need to see happen is for price to take out these minor highs. After that, we're just cruising. Waiting for price to push up a little further. So that's roughly around 20 pips on GU. You guys can even close partials right here, you know. You can close partials right here. That's 20 pips from top to bottom. You can close 50% and let the rest run because there's a lot of potential in this GU move. A lot of potential. Let's see. Bum 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 bum. Oh GJ. I was gonna take it from there last night. It's already moved 170 pips. Beautiful. BEA beautiful. There you go. GU is pushing now. Come on, can we hit TP1 GU? Come on. Give us TP1. $750. That's what I'm looking at on Geo. I don't think I'm gonna take anything before that. You're so close. Come on. Safe side, I closed my position. Yeah. So I'm seeing that we're not moving as fast as I would like it to move, so that definitely seems to be the better option of staying on the safer side. But let's see this 30 minutes, because the thing is the last few minutes of the 4-hourly candle can give us some volume. That's why I've been waiting, because that potential is massive. If we get some volume in the last few minutes, the safer and better thing to do is take partials over here and let the rest run. Amazing. There you go. TP smashed, guys. Close partials. Because now we've tapped into the 4-hour resistance. Right? Close partials right over here. And let the rest run. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. 30 pip GBP closed. Beautiful. Amazing. You see how we tapped the TP? Really nicely. Let's see. And now we could potentially reject this level because look, last time also we did the same. This is an area of contention, so that's why I'm being cautious. Amazing, 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 amazing. But gbpjpy, man, this stuff is crazy because it's just been going up. That's another 50 pips, you know. Crazy. Juice only moved 20 pips up. Madness. Be right back. Wow, that was a good time to take profit, eh? Beautiful. Beautiful. Fantastic time to take profit. We just tapped into that area and rejected. This is exactly what we do. Amazing. Amazing precision. We got precision on our side. Come on guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We've been following Geo the entire morning. And it's worked out exactly as planned. Exactly as planned. Hit that like button. Amazing. I think it's gonna keep going. This is the last few minutes of this candle. It should go. Is it going to continue going up? That would be my assumption, Emmanuel. But I've already taken the trade to where I wanna take it. After we take this high out, then we can start looking at what it can do next. You see? Because this will be the next 4-hour candle breaking up here, closing over here somewhere. So then we can wait for the retest of the 750 level to go up. So yeah. Fantastic. That was a good one. And you can see how we're struggling right over here. Once we break this high, then we can start looking at the next one. Alright, 5 minutes left for the 4-hour candle to close. Let's see. Look at that push. Come on, let's go up. 750 should be good. Partials are closed down here. Let's see where this 4-hour candle closes. This 4-hour candle closure is very, very important. Alright, come on. 2 minutes left. Let's see. Alrighty, a few seconds left. Let's see, this 4-hour candle is closing very strong above the previous high. Also, let's see, can we take this highest point out? Okay, beautiful closure. Beautiful closure on the 4-hour. We will have a bottom back that is made. After that, we can potentially look at it. But this could potentially tap into this now. Amazing. What a good closure. Good closure. Fantastic closure. Euro USD. Let me take a look at that. Euro USD. Oh. Euro USD. When do we take this? Pretty much a similar time. 40 pips. Yeah. I don't know how we got stuck in GU rather than anything else, but yeah, that's good. But Euro USD in the last 2 hours, how much did it move? 30? 36. Okay, so it's similarly. It's good, it's good. That's good. Those who took EU, you could have taken EU from this break and retest, simple break and retest right over here. You can see that simple break and retest. Yeah, I don't trade EU much. Oh, my bad, Michael. Chris. So yeah. So guys, you can see the pairs I trade over here, GJ and GU. Those are the two pairs I trade. Once we take out this previous high, we have a nice long way up. So let's take this high out and then we can take a look at it. Okay, so let's redo our analysis so that way we are set up for the next trade. TPS and next moon phase. Interesting. Alrighty, let's do a complete breakdown again so we're ready for the next one. So right over here, this will be the break of the daily highs, right? Coming down, let's just look at it. Weekly time frame, we're now pushing up. That's really, really good. Let's just put support down there. So we're breaking the previous daily high now, so that's good. That's yesterday's daily high, so that means we're bullish now. We're confirmed bullish. So look to the left now. We need some sort of demand, right? So we're gonna mark this area right over here. We need that demand, which I'm gonna move it up to 750 because I use QPs a lot, right? We're gonna move that up to 750 and we're gonna wait for price to break above this previous high over here. You can see this is the market structure. This was the high, low, high, low. We've never taken out the high. We've changed market structure, but we haven't yet taken out this high to give us this move, right? So this is an important previous high, which I'm gonna be waiting for. Looking at other time frames, this is a new low that we formed actually. At the bottom, which the supply zone for that is over here. Alright, so we first need to take out this high. Now on the 4-hour time frame, taking out that high is good because we've already got an engulfing candle right over there. There you go, we're now taking out that high. So look here to the left. I'm looking at this potential demand zone. Alright. I'm getting ready because I will look at this potential demand zone at 750. So first we need to take out the high, then we need to validate my QP, and then I start taking trades. Okay, after that I'm gonna target this clean traffic towards the left. Let me just change this color. There you go. First we take out this high, then we validate my QP on the lower time frame, 30, 15, whatever wants to give it to me, and then we will go for it. This is amazing. Amazing. So let's see. Alright, so does that make sense, guys? We will come into this price action, which is good. It's a good target to have. But first we need to take out this guy nicely, come back, retest. That should be good. That's what I'm personally looking for. GJ is a beast, yeah. Honestly, GJ is not gonna stop in my opinion. Should have taken it when I had the chance from down here yesterday, but missed it. Missed it. Can't go back in time and change it, so you gotta live with it. Alright, so we, even on GJ, we look, what a move. This has been a solid move. These don't matter anymore because we already created a higher high. Oh, huge pullback on GJ just now. What was that? That dropped really fast, 30 pips. Any idea what that is? Huge move. Random move. Redo our analysis on GJ. So we get set for whatever's gonna happen next. So look at GJ now, alright? So on GJ I have confirmed taken out my previous high, right? So the market structure now has shifted, right? We have now taken out a previous high. So we will look at buying up here. Let's see here. Okay, so that's going to be 750. Oh wait, let me just remove that and draw QP right there. Okay, so the market structure is shifted. Definitely looking at buys. Okay, so let me just put this down. Okay, so coming slowly lower. 4-hour time frame too. Let's look clearly. 750 and 500. This is a good zone. Coming up to a good zone too here. So let's see. Alright, so you guys get the gist of it? Now we're in this next range. We need to see whether we can create a support in order to continue up to the next range. Ranges on ranges. That would have actually been a really good one. 13 for 65. That was a good one. But we'll watch the charts. Let's see what's gonna happen now, considering that now we've changed the market structure. I would assume we're gonna make a support somewhere in order to continue up. So I'm gonna be looking for buys. I'm gonna continue looking for buys. Okay, we're not gonna change that. We're gonna still continue looking for buys. Are you guys, what are you guys gonna be looking at? Let's see. Let me break down NAS 100. That's something I've been looking at quite often right over here. I'll rebuy at 2165. Interesting. Careful. Whatever you're gonna do, be careful. Be cautious. Have it planned out nicely. Okay, so let's just look at NAS 100. Very interesting. Let me just draw a support zone right there. Daily time frame. That's also pretty good. Do we have a high? Let's look at that. So you primarily want NAS to first break those highs, even though we have taken out these highs. You'd primarily want NAS to take out further highs to continue up. 4-hour closed really well on NAS 100, but it didn't really break much. Just ranging within here. So you want to break out of this zone. Just gotta wait. Play the long game, guys. Play the long game. If you play the long game, you'd be able to make a lot of money just playing the long game. Let's see. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's go. Alright guys, let me know what is the one thing that will help you guys in trading. Let me know what's the one thing that will help grow the community and help build the community as stronger traders. What do you think about GJ? I just broke GJ down and GJ right now is just flying. But what we do know is what has it done with market structure, right? So let's just look at it. Previously we had a high, right? We created a low, another high, a lower low. Now we've taken out the previous high, right? So that means now we're creating a higher high, right? So now on GJ I'm definitely bullish and I'm gonna start looking for buys from this zone. Or where can we potentially buy? You see there are different levels to buy at, but I think we can definitely pull back and then buy. We have 183 flat level, we have 183 250 level. So from any of these zones I can look for a potential buy. So that's what I'll be looking at and waiting. So let's watch. Just watch guys, just watch. Wait and watch. Ibra, what do you think is the one thing I can do to enable y'all to grow or help you guys? What is that one thing? Alright. Stream regularly. Alright. That could be one thing. What else? What else? What else? What else? Because I'll tell you what guys, like, y'all don't need another Forex course. Y'all don't need another Forex trading thing, you know? Because it's personally not what I believe in, because I believe that most of you guys already possess the knowledge, right? There are enough courses, there are enough videos, there are enough day trading live streams. Everything is there. If you guys just want me to stream as regularly and as many sessions as possible, that's a big possibility. Massive possibility. But you guys tell me, what will help you guys? What can I build for you all that will help you all become the best possible traders? Like, is do you all need something on discipline, you know? Is that something that will make you all feel better? I do one-on-one mentorship also to help you guys. You know, I've mentored a lot of people in the past, and a lot of them, it all boils down to discipline, because everyone possesses so much of knowledge, everyone possesses so much of you know, drive, and everyone wants to be successful. That's what I've seen. Everyone I know, they've all had the drive and the knowledge to be successful, but it's only the discipline that stops them from being successful. Free mentorship for 2 weeks. Why not, Ibra? Do you want me to do educational live streams rather than pre-recorded videos, you know? Is that something you guys would like? Educational live streams rather than pre-recorded educational things, where we can do live Q&As, live question and answer, live back testing. What do you guys think? It's all based on you guys, the viewers. So live educational streams would be helpful. Alright, Ibra says yes. Live backtesting and Q&A session. Alright. That also could work out. We could do one of those. Yep, that's definitely a possibility. Do you want me to trade a challenge live? That also is possible. Because I've done it before on our Discord. You can check it out. I've done it before. 1 minute. Here you go. This is a trading server. You can see I've done many challenge passes over here. You can see 50k pass, 50k pass, 200k pass, 50k pass, 50k pass. Is that something you guys are interested in, just doing a live challenge together? I just need your guys' feedback. I'm now in a 50k challenge. Alright. Funding pips is very good. I have a DCFX coupon code, works on funding pips too. You can check it out if anyone's using funding pips. Alright. Alright, that's something we can move into, yeah? Alright, let's see. Maybe next week. And we trade London to New York session till we pass the challenge. What do you say? We trade it completely live till we pass the challenge. Yep, but I need you guys to be there. Great, alright. That's something we can potentially do, yep. Alright, I can get a 50k with a good firm. I'm in talks with a firm that is really good, and they are relocating to Dubai, so they will be really strong and be able to protect you guys, which will be fantastic. So that will be able to help you guys even with your funding needs, right? With whichever challenges you'll need and stuff like that. So I want to give you guys the best, of course. So let's see. I just need to make sure that these companies are as good as they say they are, you know? So yeah, so next week, what do you say? 50k challenge done live? And so hit that like button. Hit that like button and put it in the chat if you want to see that happen. Let's see. Alrighty. Let's keep going. Beautiful. Let's see. Can we move up and retest the level to continue up? Plain and simple. Okay. Alrighty guys, thank you for joining in today. We're gonna move forward and we will come back tomorrow, same time, same place. You guys know the vibe. Keep killing it. And those who need me, shoot me a text on Discord, Telegram, whatever. And we'll get you guys set up. Alright? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for joining in today, guys. Peace out.